Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tywin, and today we are going to be doing a blowing up experiment. So what you need, I'm wearing glasses just in case it blows up in my face. So we need bicarb soda, we need a cup, and we need water, and we need some vinegar, and we need a cup, and we need some tissues. Right, so I'm just gonna go fill this water up. It doesn't matter. Right, so I'm gonna fill this all up. Right, now I'm gonna get the bicarb soda, put it on this tissue, and it's supposed to be 2 spoons, but we're not gonna do that. Right, so now we have heaps of this on this bicarb soda, and now Mum is folding it out. And now we put the water in. Spilt that. Oh yeah, vinegar. Forgot about it. Too much. Guys, that was way too much. Right, so now we need to put this in, the tissue, close it up, and it blows up. So guys, that will be the end of the video right here, so bye guys.